welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in the beauty section, but it is not a product review as such. I'm here to share about my recent purchase. It is a steal deal and I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm pretty sure that many of you might have heard about it, but if you still haven't, then you should definitely check it out. This is not sponsored. I enjoy buying even more when there are flash deals going on. I mean, who doesn't? So Plum Goodness has completed 10 years of its brand and it is giving back to its customers. So they have several offers running on their app. You can download it and check it out. I made use of their buy 2 get 2 free offer. So in their buy 2 get 2 offer, I purchased 2 products and the other 2 products I got for just 1 rupee each. Here are the products that I purchased from them. I'll take you through these. The first one is a face mask. It has chamomile and white tea. And the second one is a youthful moisturizer, youthful glow moisturizer. So basically I paid for these 2 products and I got other 2 products for just 1 rupee each. So I picked an hibiscus and ceramide hair conditioner, and from the same family I picked a hair serum as well. So this is for rupees 475 and this is for rupees 375, but I've paid 1 rupee each for both. I'm going to be using all of these products for the first time, so allow me a few weeks, then probably I can record an honest review on these as well. I definitely have high hopes with these products. If you've watched my previous videos, you may have come across a review on Plum's 1% retinol serum. It is one of those serums that I restock every time. It is that good. So I've never faced any breakouts with that serum. I have a combination skin type and I'm really looking forward to trying these 4 products from Plum as well. In case you've missed that video, I'll place the link here on screen and in the description box. Do check it out. Coming back to the offer that's running, in addition to these buy 2 get 2 free products, I also got some free goodies. First one is a lipstick. It is in the shade Peach here. I'm also wearing it right now, so very subtle, love the shade. The second, a 50 ml Plum toner. Third item, also vanilla trio pack. It is a very travel friendly package. It has a body wash, body lotion and perfume. And the fourth item is a fridge magnet. Well, a magnet sticker. I'm calling it a fridge magnet because we all have the habit of sticking something like this on the fridge automatically. It says, great skin is like a perfect recipe. It all starts with the right ingredients. So true. In addition to these, they also sent out some coupon codes with different discount ranges, which is valid till December 2024. I've been a Plum user for years now. I remember purchasing some products on their 8th birthday bash, and that's when also I received some coupon codes like these. I'll share a glimpse of it here on screen as well. I do remember that the toner, the trio pack and the magnet sticker automatically showed into my cart when I added those 4 products. But for the lipstick, I used a code which is constantly flashing on their application. So the deal is I generally purchase all of my skincare and beauty products from Nykaa, including Plum's. So this was my first time placing a purchase on their app, on their mobile app. So because this was my first purchase from their application, there was a code which was flashing while I was adding these items to the cart, on which I got this lipstick for 1 rupee. In case if you are also purchasing first time from their app, then be on a lookout for these codes. Few things that I've been using from the brand for a while and that I absolutely love is their range of body wash, the 1% retinol serum and their vanilla caramello body lotion. Absolutely love the fragrance. So basically on this offer, I paid for just these 2 products and I got the rest of them for just 1 rupee each, which is why I was so eager to share it with you guys. Not sponsored. Well, that's all for today. I really hope this was helpful. You'll see me in my next one. Happy skincare.